Eruptions, guys. I put $40 in. I decided to play 150 and I got a bonus. I seen the major. The major's 150. Oh my god, no. That's it? You fucking asswipe. Man, what the fuck? I usually don't play these games higher than 50 cents. What happened? What happened? One more! Oh my god. Of course not. This is like the other cash eruption. They have to land close together to get a bonus because they won't spread. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. Minus 37. You see? The other one won't land. What are you doing? Come on, one more. Nothing. Alright guys, thank you. Hi guys. No cash. Today we're gonna do cash eruptions. Cash eruptions. 50 cents bad. $10 in. Bonus is hard to get. 6 coins are harder to get. And especially a 50 cents bet. I don't know if this game has a spoiler. Oh. Two bonus symbols. What happened? Just got bigger. Let's put another $10. Let's see if we can get anything. Come on. Oops. Mini $6. Hello, sir. Oh, cowboy. $4. Goes down the seat. Very nice. I think I just seen the major. Learn something. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh, that's a pretty good bonus. I doubled my money. What's he doing all of that? I already got it down here. Nice. Thank you. Three more. Oh. Oh, cowboy. Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. Guys, let's go with crazy chickens. Won the major here last time at $1.50. Let's see if we could crack it again. Of course, this game has no volume. Give me a spoiler. Get it. Oh my god, what was the rooster on the front? No. Yes, I got it. Yeah, boost. I want this one. I don't know how to play this one. What is that? Get something. Oops. Get something. Oh, that's $20, guys. Oh, okay. They add $2. They add. Oh, that's it. Let's do a backup spin. I'll be back. Crazy chickens, guys. We won the major last time at $1.50 bet. So let's see if we could do it again today. We'll get a bonus or anything. Machine has no volume, of course. Just my luck. Let's get a spoiler. $21 back to 40. Nice. What was that? What is that? It just popped up. Instant win. Get those instant wins. Come on. Come on, save it. Oh my God, one more. One more. Oh no. Get it, get it. Oh. I would have won the grand. Damn it. Give me a spoiler. I want the red one. The red one is the one I want $800. I mean $500. Let me catch it on that one, guys. I'll be back.